location. Contact number 8765658124.
Alright people, now listen to them gentlemen, listen to them man people. And look on this one. This is Goba people. This is Goba. Look on them. And this is Coach Bang. Jesus.
You know, that's too high. You don't go over my head. About 5 years old, I 6 years old like that.
People.
Every year it changes.
People, do you believe that man, look at that man, that big belly man. He knee can all bend. And the Billy same pile me.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
This man same pile me, people. Same pile me.
What?
Look at him. I look at the coach. Yo.
First thing, when I never video, a man that belly pile me. Me?
No, people, don't believe. People, please don't believe.
Hey.
This is Goba.
Pikachu.
This is Goba. Look at him, people. Look at him. Goba. In same pile of people, must have dream. He never play ball that day. We playing football. I think I don't know which game attacks them pile of people. So look at him. Watch out.
Alright, I say now. We give him, you know. This is when Pikachu pass, man.
Somebody's matter about people. Yes, people. Goba. St. George's College. Yes, the latest football. Yeah, listening people, listening. Yeah, listen people. No, sir, people, look at him, look at him. And this is Perry, people. The next lad. A Bang Salad. See, Bang really salad him for choosing people. Bang Salad him. That one there, see me, him name Bang people. The coach of Master League George side is Salad Perry. The real one, but
and they put him foot on it. They say put him foot on it. So they come to now, you have to say.
Alright people, that is really Perry talking about. You understand what I say?
See, so I'm going to some gun now, you know. See, sometimes I just dead me at the
Oh my God. People, that is lie. Him knee can't bend.
You keep yourself so. When someone go and score the ball, I saw the keeper turn. Me don't know how the keeper turn so. And go and push the ball around it so. You go back now. It's nobody watching, man. It's nobody watching. Yeah, movement. No, I'm going to tell you what I'm to go back. If it's not mobile, I don't know, just know. In the mobile. But you want to see my touch, you know. And that's the thing, you know. So you say when me I play with him, me give him the ball to him foot from early. Boom! So every time he goes and move left or right, he might go fine here, you know. But no man no want to give him the ball. So you see him out of the game, and it's the moment you give the ball now. Everybody now run at him, you know. I said him now go so. The whole field got the way there, I said him turn on the other way now. He broke the whole field now because nobody now give him the ball. Nobody expect him to do it. And you expect for us to run down upon him and take away the ball. No. So here we know. I'm so incessant. Hey, I'm so incessant hold on and go by now.
My name again, people. My God.
And the crowd them
I was dreaming people. Jesus. Brethren and brethren, I'm gonna put up this on my YouTube station. And people. Right down there saying what play one. Yes, people are talking about the great Olai. The man who bumps about the Olai on the plank, you know. My boy, I run a compress in a Olai like a penguin. Yeah, man, I have a video on it because I'm the lightest person. I start busting out the man, you know how walk to him, bro. They say what the Olai done with him. Hey? How about the people? Say! And they must kick it and they try to get the ball back from that field. And they keep on the ball. We go some woman East Carolina plays Georges. Bigger in a middle and poor. They know bigger enough chat off the mouth. I mean I say bigger than our run enough. But bigger as long as you have left like them man they can keep the ball. Bigger will play. And we'll go out there play where out there Georges are playing enough. Anyway, here comes Pargy. Pargy, you can't tell Pargy nothing, you know. Pargy are the fastest thing since Pussy, you know. Bolt, you know. Pargy got some woman, see him all like on the flank, you know. before the match starts, all like, man of honor, and knee supporter, yes, it starts from. And done up your side. So I said, it's all man can play the ball. But anyway, today we are, man, warm up.
Never.
Warm up.
This
warm
man,
up.
yeah, no, never. I have to video this, because you see them man, they are dreaming, bro.
No, man.
They are dreaming. Go back, say, look at them. Casey, yes. Yo, how drive this? How drive this? How drive this? Look here, how we have a coach who come from Casey. People.
And the government of Jamaica with Casey.
And Knox College.
Yeah.
Knox College.
Yo, people, see that one in there, name go by the big belly. Look at it, look at the knee, people.
Oi, a Kingston Center.
Go on, man, you go on.
Alright. You know, I'm not.
Yo, see what?
So anyway, so the first time me said never. I said, what a ugly, miserable youth. The man go out with a piece of cussing from the field.
Never.
I said, oh, the youth are ugly and can't cuss up. I said, oh, the youth are ugly and can't cuss up. So never down there in our chair, you know. Yo, never come down there in
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, so I come across and chop off piece of. Never say yo. I said, I couldn't kill him today. But that's not the I'm no master.
Yeah, man. No, mad, man.
I walk around for tackling me for the whole game, you know, man. Hey, man, don't tackle this one here now. Yo, I say my gun. Never left, come over, wing back. I play right back in and never left. Never come.
Watch me on him, man. Watch me on him. Yo, be him thing, no.
So, hold on, man. This is a party time now. So all I did there, I know, man. And I must stretch.
Everyone stretch. Everyone stretch.
And the man say, you can't run in for them all. Party say, no man, don't get the ball. I'm going to run, come take the ball for them, man. Right, this side up. Right, till I go out this side up. I'm going to get all of the ball, you know. And the ball are coming up. And party are run coming up. I'm a city pile for me yesterday. No! I'll flick it up.
And turn. Slow motion. Yeah, slow motion. Gentle touch.
And just take it back down there. It make the no look fast like go on. Listen.
The place mash up. Yeah, man, the place mash up, man.
I tell party. Hey, you see when we go back and tell party say, oh, that's no mother.
F for the mother, yeah.
He's gonna assess.
Alright, yo, look here.
Sessa get the pile.
Yeah, jeez, and pieces. People is the next one, this lion.
What you finger there?
Yeah, we're going to
Oh, we're going to take the pile.
Yo,
over there, sir. They say they know, oh, my head.
Yo, this I forgot for my YouTube station. This I forgot, because I'm dreaming, bro. I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. I put this on my YouTube station and honest, I'm putting up. Honest.
Hey,
Aye.
the pile I run about 6 years
It's
now.
nearly, wow.
Sessa pile, man.
No, man, I'm not so long.
Yo,
Hold it. No, man, COVID at 2 years.
my gosh. My gosh.
About 6 years. That's probably just when I play over 45 for Georgia. That was there every night. Yeah. You know, say 2 times a night. Hey, Mr. Sessa get the pile, man. See me hold on from go back.
My gosh. Okay, somebody pile me never play. He never play ball on the field.
First thing, what Sessa say? It's too high.
My gosh.
Then
Then him say the go 5 in.
So the people say
Then the boy say the way ball go.
So how can someone now play football on the field play? Pile me. We don't understand that.
Are you alone say go back now play no? You know say up to today you alone say.
Yeah, because
Some brush off the shoes.
no, Barry. My gosh.
Yeah.
But yo, look at yo, my yo.
Say, oh, the man-
Perry, don't do that. Don't follow them, Perry. Don't follow them. My gosh.
Let's try to convince 30-odd man say it never happened.
Are you alone say
You are
the
alone
pile?
saying that, you know.
Because, hey.
It no go over there.
Oisa. Hold around for me. Go on, show on that road.
Alright. No, it don't matter. No, I don't hold on.
Yo, people don't listen to these guys. Look, Yo, since Bang come a Georges, people, Bang catch a disease from Guba. My God. Yo, never. You need to hear this, you know. I have a tune into the station for here. What go on? Yeah. You need to hear this.
I tell my girl no, you know, right? She don't marry. See it? Biggest thing I like. When you shift barrier, you know, get some nasty shit, you know, but go marry, you know. Just continue to run around, like my run around.
You know, people, this man in Cuba. You know, when this brother come at Georges, it was an angel people. But since he started mixing Cuba, him turn just sitting like Guba. You understand what people? Just look on them. Perry, Guba, and then Bang. People, Bang come at Georges, come turn devil. When we start powering, Guba, see the people, Guba up on the wall, that big belly guy. Yes. And you have Perry beside him. You know, Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry don't come.
Find somebody. Find somebody in all of the money with that play ball.
Yeah.
Who was there? Because all of the people that did it. All of them man find somebody who did it. Was said Cecil never get the pine.
But they don't know what I talk about.
One somebody say never get the pile.
A Cecil. One somebody you find when Cecil never get the pine.
Yo,
We done the argument.
but which pile? We don't know some pilot.
The alleged pilot.
Oh, bigger. Ask bigger.
Bigger than did it.
You see that people?
You know, the day when we play Battlefield and get the pile and I say, I don't know why I made it up.
Bigger. You know what they Bigger.
We know if we get a pile, so we don't start.
Guba. Now I'm play football. And a ball come outside. And Guba we pass through the ball and ball. We go kick the ball down. So I said, about 3 years ago, 4 years, the man, the point.
No, man, I don't know about that.
And the man saying pile me, you know. The man Barry, you know. And the man, it was spread.
So Guba put him picture up and I put up him thing a big man and go like him a big ball. I mean, what's him ball?
Yeah, I see him too. So what you say? You pile me. You can't just say pile me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, not even Pele look good like him. Yes, people, Ronnie. Big baller, Ronnie. You don't know him all, yeah, man, people, see that? Yes, people, see, go by West Empire, people. Put the wrap up like mommy. Yo, so no one man come out early, come out. Let's tell them, let's put up on the group and say, yo, practice match. What you say, Roddy? What you say? Real thing. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so this Sunday I come, Christian Ambassador come now.
Right? Just put it up on the group. Look here, man. Just put it up on the group and say practice match. Right? Simple. And every man turn out. You know, I should they want to sell something along St. George College people. The Masters League team. Yo, trust me, star. If me are the coach for the Masters League side, let me tell you. I say the man come play ball, some different people must see. Different people. You understand what I say? They will stop and watch. Yeah, man. Any of me are the coach, me I tell you, man. Different people. Different people, they will come see. Yeah, yeah. For real.
We start back. Master thing, but right there. So as soon as it's done, you just want to restart. Yeah, restart. More than leave it, just go back down to its original time frame.
We want a light. We want the light run the field.
You just spend some money some years ago by Barry and Jimmy and all them, and come run some, go buy some.
No, so me spend some money on the Master League side 1 year, back in the year. When I spend money on Jimmy and Barry and thing.
They on video, you know. Up to the day, we see the video circulate back, you know. say you buy Jimmy for come play and Jimmy say I let him take the money.
Yo, people by mistake, people. Yes, we are buy some ball, you know. It's myself because we have a commission going on.
You remember kind of loose though.
Yeah, you know so many things that get old. So I'm going to start back and think, yo, we need to start back and look at things like that. It's nice, you know. It's nice, man. It's nice. Yeah, man.
1 hour in the gun, so we pay about 1 hour.
Yes, man.
You say if you reach 5, then pay about return 45. So you pay 45.
Yeah.
Yeah, real and truly, no, we can play 20 minutes of it. No cussing, no argument, nothing like that. Just play some ball, just knock it. You see, that's why I love playing the grid ball, you know. The ball, just in the grid. You see the play, you up there, me up there, so. I'm not going to go like this up there and chat and not play the ball, but you see, at the grid, I have to move on down and knock it. That's the work.
What I'm saying right now, trust me. Anyway, you put it up in the group and say practice match.
No,
I tell you.
It's going to be Sunday.
No, but you see, look here. No, I did like today when everybody should come and get a little warm.
Real and truly, enough man. If you not leave work, if you don't leave work 4:30, about 4:35 we left out. Alright? If you not leave work from them time, I have to head down to Georges. I will reach about 3 minutes past 5. If you not left work, if you left work 5 o'clock to come here, you're there. You can't go nowhere.
The traffic stick you up too.
And then now, it's back to school. So everybody gone back to the night.
Alright.
The light too, says so.
Yeah, we need a light, man.
I'm going to focus on something and get back.
I talk to the vice principal. We're supposed to do some.
So hold on, them put the light up there?
No, man.
You're supposed to put up there?
I don't like them.
And the stand them getting
The
set.
stands, them say them.
Instead of the light.
And right.
Oh.
Them put in the stands, up there, so.
Oh.
And we put in
Yeah,
the
the
light,
light.
so. And you think they say,
I want to tell you two.
one out of the two.
So now we use concrete posts.
Yeah, man, concrete post on the again.
Eh?
Concrete post on the again.
Then start.
Too expensive.
Okay. So now use some posts like them something over there, sir.
Yeah, man, they fine. The post them already, just with that big two sponsorship, but the money just never reach in time. But now go back, go see me.
But I was thinking about this something now.
You look at post, eh? Then I can't run.
Yeah, evening, sir.
Amazing, still amazing. I know some of that only person I've seen them out. They are for month and 2 weeks. All the people have seen them out in Jamaica.
Like me I say.
Listen, no way you're going to find them tell you for sanitize it. No, I go want church and they tell you for sanitize it and we are put on the mask. But it's a Jamaica church. It's a West Indians. A whole heap of West Indians, they are the church. But we are telling you, nowhere else where you go. Nobody not come to your time, mask, sanitize. Nobody. It's a make up on the plane, the only person have a mask at Jamaica put on mask at Gafari. When you go in the airport, nobody out of here. Nobody for them phone. And just a chat at the airport. So the mask everybody with the excitement to them say.
The mask, yeah, the mask and thing.
Where all of this?
Yeah, my sister only call it a cut and thing. She tell me say, you know where mask out there again and thing.
First thing, my brother, Vince, listen. I tell nobody about mask and just stab him and shoot him. Tell them not about no mask, no weird.
No man, tell him about the joke and you see what happen. My sister tell me say, boy, if you tell someone about ask about vaccine.
She said, Vina said, that all the people that them say, we love the juke and stuff. Some old retired people in them yards.
60s.
90% of the real Americans are taking it. Some of that. First thing the man say, we don't take nothing on the test.
But a long time, I tell them, say, them soon start trying to put it in the food. And then Bill Gates is the largest land-owned, farmland owner.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah, man, Mr. Pharmaceutical.
My buy to farm land them.
Them man, they don't control everything.
Mm.
So they say, where you say, the only way we can get away from them money is less we decide to have our own coconut oil, our own sweet potato, just local. Local. Otherwise, some that.
In Jamaica right now, it's blow a skirt and thing. Yes, sir. You them get lazy right now and thing. Put on $1 million right there and put a gun right there right now in Jamaica right now and then choose it. Choose what I told you, either $1 million or the gun. You must choose the gun. That's what I say. At least $1 million, put on $1 million and a fork and cutlass. Right? And the gun. I gun what I take up. No, left $1 million and left the farming tool and him something. That's me. Yes, people, there's Guban and Never. Yeah. Ignorance, yo, this brother. Them some ignorant people what the brother yeah. I'm gonna say good. Yeah man, Never people. Very ignorant fella. Very ignorant fella. See me? Yeah man. You know good vibes with people, you know. I tell the beer man, you know good vibes, you know. But this brother people, we say that go by. I'm supposed to know go by people all over the world. My God. This guy say oh pile me people. About 5 to 4 years now. I never play football up on the field with people. They pile me. Any of this man pile me people, me eat my shirt. Me cook my football boat, put it on pot and boil it and shoot up people. Yes, this brother named Guba.
We play ball one day. And I use him Lopez. Him gifted you. Ricky Prang know him. You can play ball because him knows that. Because he used to ball. Tackle him in ball. But him get like a coaching and the man get good, I mean real good. We are play ball. And you come for the field. I know I'm gonna get a juggling test. I don't know him. So the man goes and he said you kick the ball. The first time you kick the ball go left, right. Yeah, man, so listen. Where you come from, man? But me as a shot, I would just don't want to behave like.
Yeah.
So I put it on that side. And Junior say, yo, if the youth score, man, but you never my head. You hear what I'm saying? If the youth score,
eat him head, in one head.
Oh, man, the game will go on and the game will go on. When you look at the field, you know, Farmer National, Major League, baller, player. We down there, we are play ball and the man kick a shot, you know, and the youth just go so. And stick out the foot in and go back. Hey, when you kick it up, you know, like a man kick a shot and he go so, doom! You just run it and go so, doom! And open up his body, you know. Like I said, the man at the goal, by the time he lift up his foot, straight to the back of the net. You know, the game stopped, and then my body just turned and I said,
yo, go on. Oh, go on. Yeah, man, look for the man, yo, eat your head, no, man. Yeah, man, I will eat that, yo.
Hey, it's the next week you would come back, you would have, you walk now. He can't play ball, but the man can score a goal. That's all he can do, you know. Go on, when they kick the ball game, you know. The man on slide come through the boom. No, man. Never stop this youth, man. Youth come every week and score, you know. Boom, 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 boom. But you know, you see they give all the ball and the big on the field. You see him half an hour for control the ball. Tight and drop this up. But you see anytime you see the goal,
it's a score.
It just, I don't know, it just like instinctively. I mean, I thought the man play, the man pass some, open up him hip, you know, go back. And I play some, and I said to yourself, oh, you can't control the ball, and you do them thing then. Yeah. So, I said, no, be careful, my nephew.
I saw Sammy said, to start to teach them. And yo, on a big spring. But I'm sure I can eat it. So, to see you did have a couple of games to play over, so we have to draw up some games and back this up. You know, juggle your schedule. we did put Shorty to play Kansas King a little earlier. And I first to see the harder Guinness to do. So the hooks has come up. And then we decided to go. We're not going to do it. Sammy say again, Whitestone can't be spring.
Very comfortable outside. Give me outside.
Sammy call it, Sammy call it. Missing.
Sammy call missing.
Upper spring. You know? Hey, Uncle never took a come on and say, when I take him and yeah, money, I'm up a spring at 15. Once a year says spring at 3 and or so.
Yes, people are closed off and now.
But the people that will come here every time if them know some of the pile says so.
Yeah, man. Dream. Continue to dream, man. One person glass never there this evening is Barry.
Eh?
A glass of Barry never there, you know. Because him start it and we not finish it.
Then Tad never there too, man?
Tad.
Tad there, man.
Nah, man, Tad. No, oh, my God. Yo, Tad. I forgot about Tad, you know. Yo, my gosh. My glass say me there. My glass of Tad never there. Yeah, man. Cause yo, people, these guys, don't make them send inside the people. Our pilot. Remember me tell you, it's like my dream boat, but it never happened, you know, but my dream boat say them pilot. And sell them. Yeah, man, people. Close off right now on Shot Boss TV production. Yeah, man. I got to get this up. Make all of Guba friends who know say Guba a liar. Yeah, man. And bang, come here as an angel people. And you start parrot Guba, and all of a sudden, my God, he's no more angel anymore. Yeah, man. Guba change him. Guba change bang and Mr. Barry. Yeah, man. But man, want to Mr. Barry?
Barry, I got some pressure, man.
Okay. Judge, I know. John, stop open.
Son Ghana, but I help you take care of it. Just leave her. One of them choices.
Sungano?
Guba, you sure think you have practice on Sunday?
Yeah, Christian ambassador.
Yeah, in a midweek, internal play ball like today. They still tell man, say, put it in the group, say practice match. And you see everybody turn up. Yes, people, big up on yourself and thing. They're close up right now. Yeah, man, Shot Boss TV production again. Yeah, man, St. George's College. Yeah, man, these Master League player, and that is Guba. Yo, the people, this man can tell, I might tell the people, say, yo, if this guy same pile, if not gonna stop same pile of y'all 5-6 year people. I'm gonna be friend them with him, I say, yes, it's true. People, Guba, close off, people. Bang, bang, up like heaven.